How to recover your Uber account. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to easily recover your Uber account if you have forgotten its password. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is open up your application and you will be landed on this home page. So just tap on continue, and here on the sign in page you have different options to continue with your Google, with your mobile phone, and your email. I'm just going to tap on continue with the email. So once you get here, you can just enter your email address and then tap on next. So here a code will be sent to your email address. Now all you need to do is enter the code that has been sent to your email. But if you have set any kind of password, it will ask you for your password, and you can tap on forgotten your password. Then it will again ask you to enter your email to send the verification code for your email. So just tap on it, or you can even send a code via your SMS. That is your mobile number. So you just have to enter your code here. So here is the login code that has been sent to me by Uber. I'm just going to copy it and paste it on my Uber right here. Once you do that, you can tap on next and it will directly take you to your account. So that's how you can easily recover your Uber account. If you found this video helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I'll catch you on the next one.